Hi everyone, glad to see you again in our channel. Now, many of us record audio during online meetings, interviews, or courses for later review and analyzing. However, there are instances when having the text is more convenient than the audio. So, how do we convert the audio to text? We have Edimakor, not just an AI video editor but also a powerful speech-to-text converter. Let's get started. First, download Edimakor on your computer and fire it up. Click on Create a Project to begin. Whether you've got a video or just an audio recording, Edimakor has you covered. Simply import your file. Then drag your file onto the timeline, hit the speech-to-text icon, and voila! In just a few seconds, your audio is transformed into text neatly displayed in the right panel. Powered by AI, you can trust its accuracy. Plus, it supports multiple languages, so whether it's English, Arabic, French, or other languages, Edimakor can help you do this audio-to-text job. Now, with your text at hand, you can also make revisions, add, delete, or change words easily if needed. When you're all set, click the Export button and save your text as a TXT file. Need it in a Word document? Simply copy and paste it into a new file. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.